Around 24 hours ago, OPNsense 24.1.7 was released. I've held off on doing this video because there was an issue if you was running ZenArmor. ZenArmor did tweet, is it a tweet, is it an X, that there was compatibility issues. That's now been resolved, so I'm glad to say so. Should you upgrade? Yes. The upgrade's mainly consisting of performance updates and bug fixes, and we'll have a quick look over them, and then I'll upgrade the system from 24.1.6 to 24.1.7 just to see how it goes. So let's do that.
Sheridan Computers, IT, Communications, Support.
So this is on the OPNsense forum. So Python has been updated to version 3.11, along with the usual reliability patches in the core, plugins and third-party software. So at the moment they're working on removing the most of the Falcon framework dependencies, so that's related to the GUI, so that will speed up the MVC and API bits. So the new dashboard's also taking shape, and you're welcome to try that on the development version and leave any feedback that you can. So the full patch notes. Scroll down to the bottom of these first, actually. So libpfctl, libucl, light httpd, php, mcrypt, Python, StrongSwan, suricata, syslog and unbound have all received updates to the latest versions. So there'll be security updates and bug fixes, so you'll want to upgrade. For plugins, the Acme client's been updated. Caddy, CrowdSec, FreeRadius, FRR, RelayD, ShadowSocks, Squid and Telegraph have all been updated. Within the UI, they've fixed a boot grid parsing of the timestamps, and they've improved tokenizer paste behavior. I say most of these now are just fixes, but they've fixed the issue of maximum log file size being ignored when there's only one file. Make log rotate action available to Cron. They've removed the get current theme. Again, that's related to the GUI. They've moved radvd and rtsold to system log where they belong. They've denied access to core files from the web GUI and disabled core dumps. So that's a security feature there. Adjusted log levels in Google Drive backup. Prevent out of memory on gateway migrations. Give DAD another second of delay to finish for the IPv6 renew. Reword the gateway selector to default and help text describe its functions more accurately. Within IPSec, allow the equal sign for identity parsing in connections, ISC, DHCP. Make private consumers actually private where it matters. So Kia DHCP's had some updates. Generate JSON payload from models. Fix field separator for subnet domain search. OpenVPN's had some updates, so they fixed attempt to read property in status page, safeguard config access in up-down event. With regards to WireGuard, pass endpoint to validator to avoid invalid QR code errors on the mobile app. Add MTU when set on the instance. Backend allowed to query multiple sysctl queries at once. MVC passes, these are just GUI ones that will just improve performance, extend model implementation, change exception handling in run migrations, MVC, and UI. So, should you update? Yes. I'd say it's mainly performance and security related fixes. So yes, OPNsense does get security patches. Let's head over to a live system and we'll do an upgrade and see how it goes. Right. We're on OPNsense 24.1.6. So it's FreeBSD 13.2, now patch release 11. So let's go ahead and check for updates. Check for updates. Okay, so this is basically just bringing up what I've just read out to you on the forum post and gone through. So let's say there was a few security fixes and performance things, so I highly recommend that you update. We'll go ahead and run these. fact, that could be. Turn that off. Okay, so starting web GUI, generate RTD graphs, and we are done. So now if we go to status, we're on 24.1.7. After I do an update, I always like to just do a reboot if possible. So I'm going to go ahead and just give it a quick reboot. We've rebooted, so I'll just go ahead and log back in. That's us. So I've upgraded a few test systems. I've done some production ones, and I've not had any issues with the update as of yet. So should you upgrade? Yes, absolutely. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more videos related to OPNsense, or PFSense, or other firewalls. Hit the notifications icon to get any notifications of any videos that are done, and I'll see you in the next one.